If you are expecting lagging issues with the Messenger app on your iPhone, there are several steps that you can take to resolve this problem. First of all, you can close and reopen the Messenger app. Sometimes app can lag due to the temporary glitches. To resolve this, you have to double click on the home screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Just go and open up your Messenger and you have to swipe up like this, and after that you have to just go and clear that Messenger here, and again you have to open up your Messenger and you have to check if the lag is present or not. Also, you can restart your iPhone, which can often fix app lag caused by the background processes or system issues. You have to hold the power or the side button or volume up or down button. After that, you will see the slide to power off. You have to just go and slide off your you have to just go and slide that power mode and your device will be power off, and you can restart your device. After restarting, you can open up your messages to see if that issue is resolved or not. And you can check for the update. Ensure your Messenger app is up to date. Just navigate to your App Store and search for the Messenger to check if there is any update available or not. If there is any update available, you have to get the latest version of your Messenger. Also, you can uninstall your Messenger app. You have to just go and long press on the Messenger and go for the remove app from the home screen. And you can reinstall it from your Apple Store here. Also, you can check your internet connection, where the lag can be caused by slow or unstable internet connection. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or a stable cellular connection. So this step will fix your Messenger app keeps lagging issues on your iPhone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.